Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
सर आप एक स्टूडेंट के पार्टी में गए थे जिसको ऑल इंडिया रैंक 70 बनाया।
तुम्हें कैसा पता?
जासूस है ध्रुवन।
हाँ? How did you get to know?
सर कौन सा पार्टी था ये?
The student got All India 71st rank, so his parents organized for a party.
सर आपके पीछे स्पाई है। सर हमें पता चला है कि सर आपने मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स कमा लिए स्टूडेंट्स के पास से सर, ऐसे $100 करीब।
अच्छा,
तो सर आपकी जासूसी कर रहे हैं, आपको लूटने।
Sir, you should also monetize your channel now.
the channel is monetized.
Oh, it is. Oh. Sir, कितना मिलता है मतलब?
Nothing but very less.
Sir, magnitude बोल दो ना.
Magnitude, if the number of hits cross some 600 or 700, first remuneration 1000 rupees से ऊपर होगा तो they will deposit in your Google Pay account.
Nice.
So अब तक 1000 rupees भी नहीं है.
अरे सर लेकिन ऐसे 1000 जाके अच्छा अमाउंट बन जाएगा ना. Sir, 1000 is practically $15.
हाँ.
उसके आसपास.
So amount is not very big. But
actually मेरा भाई
No, but instead of collecting those $15 from people who ask dumb doubts, you can get it from the channel directly.
So दोनों यूज करेंगे ना, but understand. So not only, so you'll ask anyone ask dumb doubts, you can get money from them plus your YouTube channel plus your जो भी होगा आपका दूसरा. अच्छा है ना, सब जगह से इनकम आते रहना चाहिए.
सर
Okay.
गुजराती माइंडसेट लगा रहे हैं।
हाँ सर.
Okay.
सर
What was
सर
the
एक्चुअली
last?
मेरा भाई
Your brother?
सर मेरा भाई वो पार्टी में था इसलिए सर उसने बोला कि आप भी थे, आप वो ही बिल्डिंग में रहते इसलिए।
Okay.
आपका बिल्डिंग भी जान गया, अभी आपको शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा. आ जाएगा ये आपके घर पे डाउट्स पूछने.
Okay. What was the last thing we covered in the previous class?
Completed work for much.
Yes, sir.
You gave
Now
assignment 1 and 2.
Discuss the assignment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Booklet.
yes.
Exercise 4.
Okay. Assignment का first में ये 2 assignment दिया हुआ है, उसका discussion हो गया.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
के बाद जो 2 assignments दिया उसका discussion करना है, right?
Yes, sir.
To be sure, I'll just show you
और
the.
कल भी किसी दूसरे फैकल्टी का डाउट लेक्चर रखा है.
हाँ सर तभी
Yes, sir, tomorrow we have.
तो उनसे booklet करवा दो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can save some time. I will share the screen. This is what we should discuss. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Tell me your doubts in this assignment. 1.
Sir, 20 to 25.
Sir, talking about assignment 3, right?
Effectively assignment 3, but I showed you the assignment right now for to avoid that confusion. You again create the confusion. देखा है आपने वो assignment?
So actually, can you show it once again? I think it was the other assignment.
Yes.
Yes, sir. This only UAV.
Yes, sir. This is the assignment.
हाँ सर ये वाला ही है.
बोलो.
25.
question 8 and 23.
8,
Sir,
22.
21.
9 and 10.
Sir, 25.
Sir, 13.
25.
Sir, 22.
Sir 12.
26.
Sir, 15.
And sir
And
question
17D.
14.
Sir, 17D. D for Delhi.
So assignment 1 was comparatively easy than assignment 2.
obviously.
The spring problems were a little time
Yes.
taking.
Eight कहाँ पर है इसमें? Eighth question. Eighth question should not be difficult. A body is going around and it's coming here. Right. Mass of the body is given as 0.2 kg. Speed of 4 meters at the highest point, 4 meters per second. In a closed circular tube of radius 10 centimeters. Radius 10 centimeters. Cross section of the tube is such that the block just fits into it. The block makes several oscillations inside the tube and finally stops at the lowest point. Find the work done by the tube on the block during the process. Stops here. So work done by conservative plus work done by non-conservative plus work done by the tube should be equal to change in kinetic energy. Work done by non-conservative and tube external rather, both put together will be the work done by the tube. This I will call as work done by the tube. Could be friction, could be because of the bending of the tube, so on and so forth. Everything put together is the work done by the tube. Work done by gravity will be mg into 2r plus work done by the tube will be equal to change in kinetic energy. Final minus initial. Final is 0 minus half mu square. For work done by the tube, take this to the right. You will get the work done by the tube.
Yes.
Finally, it's coming to rest. That is the bottom.
So why the work done by non-conservative forces is like considered as work done by a tube?
If there is friction, the tube is slowing down the mass, right?
Yes, sir.
So obviously, non-conservative will come into the category. Tube is exerting that force on it.
So can you also add 28th question?
Can I have the board?
Yes, sir.
Now listen. Next question was 9. Ninth question में what did we do? In the figure shown, the pulley is smooth. One second. Am I dealing with the correct question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have a pulley like this and a spring connected. You have a block kept on an inclined plane. This is theta. This is small m, this is big, this is k. Right? This is fixed and this height is h. This is fixed. Right? The block B slides down along the fixed inclined rough edge, assuming that the block reaches the end of the wedge. Find the speed of the block at the end. Take the coefficient of friction between the block and the wedge to be mu, and the spring has relaxed when the block was released from the top of the wedge. Right? Technically, when I write the equation, work done by conservative plus work done by non-conservative plus work done by external forces should be equal to change in kinetic energy. If you are asking me the maximum elongation, he is asking find the speed of the block at the end. So this will be half mv square minus
-0.
right? Gravity will do how much work? mgh. H is downwards, mg is downwards. So there's no issue with that. That is plus.
Yes, sir.
Work done by normal force will be 0. Right? Work done by non-conservative. Now, have a look at it. I will have to write the work done by conservative. There are two work done by conservative. One is gravity, the other is the spring. Spring I will write as minus of delta U. Minus of U final minus U initial. Minus of
Half
U final half K.
kx square.
What will this elongation be? Initially it is unsteady. Elongation will be this length. H by sine
Sine
theta,
theta.
hypotenuse,
Yes, sir.
whole square minus 0. The key cat is in the sign. Here you apply kx dx. If you apply the angle between kx and dx, please also verify if dx is increasing or x is increasing or decreasing. Dx is positive or negative. I repeat, if you are directly doing integral kx dx, two things should be taken care of. Angle between kx dx and if dx is positive or negative. मुझे वो सब माथापैची नहीं करना है. Then what do I do? Minus of delta U final minus U initial. This is U final, this is U initial. Right? Work done by non-conservative. Work done by non-conservative. I'll write it here. Minus of mu mg cos theta. Mu m into what is the displacement? H by sine. There is no other external force which is doing work. That's it. You get the answer in the next step. mgh minus this is equal to half mv square.
So tension does zero work because we're applying it on the system, right? Like string constraints ki wajah se tension does zero work.
Tension in this is kx, and you have taken
Okay,
the
sir.
work done by kx. You didn't leave it, and it's not zero work.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Question number 10, right? Okay, fair enough. Work done by gravity conservative plus work done by non-conservative plus work done by external is change in kinetic energy. 10th question, and am I reading it right? A block of mass M is attached to two unstretched springs of spring constant K1 and K2 as shown in the
Yes,
figure.
sir.
Block is displaced towards right through a distance of x and is released. Find the speed of the block as it passes through a distance of x by 4. Here, understand one thing. In one of the springs case, dx is positive. The other springs case, dx is negative.
Negative.
So here, plate state. Now, work done by conservative will be minus delta I. Minus of u final minus u initial. Minus of u final. U final. It is at a distance of x by 4 from the mean position, right? Half k1 x by 4 whole square plus half k2 x by 4 whole square minus half k1 x square plus half k2 x square. When it comes to potential energy, whether the spring is stretched or compressed, it makes no difference. Half kx square. U final, both of them, one has an elongation of x by 4, the other has a compression of x by 4. I don't care. Half kx by 4 whole square. U initial. Everything else will be taken care by the sign. Non-conservative, I believe, don't exist here. Normal force will do zero work. Am I right? I hope I didn't miss anything. This will be equal to half mv square minus z. This is the final potential energy. This is the initial potential energy. Work done by conservative will be negative of. And in one case it is compressed, one case it is elongated. Maximum to maximum क्या कर लोगे? अगर if one of them is compressed, put minus x by 4 whole square. You're squaring it. It turns out to be positive again. You're always on the safe side. So instead of taking kx dx integration, try this. This will keep you on the safe side. Well, this is the 12th question. Am I reading the correct question?
Yes.
There are two bits in it. coefficient of friction between the block and the surface is mu. The block is released when the spring is compressed by 2 mg by k. You have compressed it by 2 mu mg by k. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
No. When will the speed of the block be maximum? When the net force on it is 0. Just
Acceleration
imagine.
is 0.
We dealt with
Acceleration.
this, right?
Yes.
Here acceleration is 0, implies velocity is
Maximum.
acceleration is 0, so velocity is maximum. So where is acceleration 0? When kx is velocity is maximum, when acceleration is 0. Kx is equal to mu mg. Kx
Yes.
is equal to mu mg. X naught is equal to mu mg by k. So when the compression is mu mg by k, half of this, when this is mu mg by k, you will have maximum velocity. This point should be the most important key catch in this problem.
Yes.
Then you write work energy theorem, work done by conservative plus work done by non-conservative plus work done by external is change in kinetic energy. Is change in kinetic energy. Right? Agreed?
Yes.
Conservative minus delta U plus work done by non-conservative minus mu mg into displacement. Displacement is how much? Mu mg by k. External forces is 0. Half mv maximum final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic. This is frictional force into displacement. Negative sign because frictional force and displacement are in opposite direction. Minus of u final minus u initial. Half k mu mg by k whole square minus half k 2 mu mg by k whole square. Minus mu square m square g square by k is equal to half m v maximum whole square. X naught is mu mg, that is the key catch. Simplify this, you should get the answer. This is u final, this is u initial. Initially it is compressed by 2 mu mg by k. Finally the compression is only mu mg by k. Final, initial. Minus of u final minus u initial.
Or after this final point, then it will retard, right? And then finally velocity will become 0.
Right.
Okay.
Here velocity will be maximum. It will decrease.
After this will become 0.
Now in the second part, what will we do? We will find out the x at which the block will come to rest. Can I rub this bit?
Yes, sir.
In the second part, what you do is you will find out the point at which the block will come to rest. Block comes to rest means work done by conservative plus work done by non-conservative plus work done by external force is change in kinetic energy. This is 0 minus 0. Conservative will be minus of u final minus u initial. Non-conservative will be minus mu mg into x. You don't know how much distance it moved. right? Or maybe it crossed this. It will cross this point here. Then you will write 2 mu mg by k plus x. That means you are taking x to the right. That means it crosses this particular point. So what is the total distance it traveled? 2 mu mg plus x. Here, external forces are doing zero work. Normal force is doing zero work. Agreed? Say something.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
U final is half kx square. U initial is half k. 2 mu mg by k whole square. Now find out this value of x from this equation so that you get to know where the change in conditional is zero. With the negative sign here, this minus of this is 0 is equal to 0. Find x. Once you know x, you know where it came to rest. At that instant, if kx is greater than mu mg, it will come back. If kx is less than mu mg, now this came till here. At this point, I'll have kx in the backward direction, mu mg here, after it coming to rest. Right? If kx is greater than mu mg, the block will come back. If kx is lesser than mu mg, block will remain at equilibrium there. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
Quickly solve for x and tell me what's the value of x.
Sir,
Huh.
if in place of 2 mu mg by k plus x, if we just took only x, sir, will it be correct?
That means you are taking the total distance from here to here. Then final
Yeah.
answer is will ये subtract करना पड़ेगा. I didn't want that confusion and say change it there. First, I also took it as x and I started the problem. But I thought you people may get confused, so I showed that as x.
Sir, पर minus क्यों करना पड़ेगा? मतलब that will be the extension at which.
Elongation of the spring kx will not be from here. This is not the unstretched portion. This is the unstretched.
Okay, yeah, sir. Got it. Thank you.
It is coming 2 mu mg k, but 2 mu mg by k.
नहीं गलत किया आपने. Find out x. जल्दी करो, इतना लंबा सिंप्लीफिकेशन भी नहीं है. Bring this negative sign inside. This will become half k 4 mu square m square g square by k square. Right? Minus half k x square minus 2 mu square m square g square by k minus mu mg into x is 0. Did I open it correct? 1 k and k will go, this 2 will go. 2 mu square m square g square by k, 2 mu square m square g square by k, these both will get cancelled. Agreed? So, negative, negative, right side you take it positive. Take x common. Half kx minus mu mg is equal to 0. One answer is x is equal to 0. Other answer is 2 mu mg by k. Obviously, the other answer 2 mu mg by k is 2. You are releasing it from here, right? So there,
Yes, sir.
velocity should be 0. So I am not interested in this particular value. That was your start value. The other answer is
0.
X is 0.
elongation is
0.
0.
so when elongation is 0, it is coming to rest at that particular point. It will remain at rest thereafter.
Shouldn't x be minus 2 mu mg by k?
Yes, sir.
I have a negative here, I have a negative here.
Yes, sir.
Negative of negative, I took it to the right, it became positive. So positive, I
Yes, sir. So half kx plus
Yes,
mu mg
sir.
because you took it to
Yes,
the
sir.
right.
Plus mu mg.
Plus me.
plus, okay, here it is plus, then it is minus. From here, I took x to the right. I got negative sign implies I'm referring to this. And this was the initial start. Quite obviously, that is the correct way, correct answer, because at the initial end, you released it from rest.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, the next question is 13. What are the masses? A is m, B is 2m. This is m, this is 2m. Friction is absent everywhere. System is released from rest with the spring unstretched. Find the maximum extension of the spring. Right. Maximum extension of the spring. Work done by conservative plus work done by non-conservative plus work done by external is change in kinetic energy. Right. Work done by conservative 2 mg h or xm maximum elongation. If this has maximum elongation xm, this will come down by xm.
Yes, sir.
Right? plus work done by normal force is 0 in this case. Right? Work done by non-conservative is 0 in this case. Agreed? Change in kinetic energy will be 0 minus 0. Now I have one more expression here, work done by the spring, minus of delta. This is the loss in gravitational potential energy. Why are you not speaking about the loss in gravitational potential energy?
Sir, it does
Here,
not lose any.
Doesn't
it doesn't lose. Minus of u final minus u initial. Minus of half kx maximum whole square minus 0. Equation is a straight hit for the first question. Can I go to the second bit of this question? Can I go to the second bit?
Yes, sir.
Now listen. For the second bit, he is asking you speed of blockade when the extension in the string is xm by 2. Now this will go down by 2m g xm by 2. Work done by conservative. Right? This will be minus of delta, minus of u final, half k xm by 2 whole square minus 0. Right? Initial elongation was 0. This is u final minus u initial. Kinetic energy will be half 2m v square plus half m v square minus 0 plus 0. Xm value you already got from the previous question. Substitute that xm value here. Right? Substitute here. You get the velocity. What makes you say these both blocks will have the same velocity? They are two ends of the same string. They are two ends of the same string. Third bit, I don't think it is worth solving because instead of xm by 2, you substitute xm by 4. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Center of the board.
Yes, sir.
Fourteenth, I have a feeling I dealt with this in the class. This is
So
a
the answer
conservative.
is wrong.
The
at the
answer is coming wrong on the
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The conservative force है उनने गलत values दिए हैं.
It is conservative. The answer is wrong. Yes, even the other batch told me about it. All three parts you will get the same answer.
Yes, sir.
F is yi cap plus x j cap. dr is dx I cap plus dy j cap. Integral f dot dr is equal to y dx plus x dy. This is integral d of xy. It depends only on the initial coordinates and final coordinates. Hence, all three paths will give you the same answer by mistake where there are three different answers given.
Sir, पूछना था, sir, third part में when we go directly from O to C, इसमें we'll have to find the equation of the line and then do that dx dy.
Y equal to mx plus c. In that you will put y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to, what is the slope of the line? 2 by 3.
Yes.
So dy will be equal to 2
Sir,
by
3 by 2 na?
3 by 2. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So dy is equal to 3 by 2 dx. जहाँ dx को replace करना है replace कर दो, जहाँ dy को replace करना है replace कर दो.
Sir, I had a small doubt. Sir, I had come across a problem where it was like x y square I cap. So like how will I choose dy or dx in that case?
You are integrating with respect to what?
No, sir.
So
Like
integrate with respect to x, right?
yes, sir.
So x y square dx means eliminate y in terms of x.
Okay, sir.
X y square dx eliminate y in terms of x. Integrated with respect to x.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I had a doubt. Sir, in these type of questions, why can't we integrate it separately? Like, then we'll get 2xy.
Integrated.
So, but if you
All
integrate
three
it,
parts you should get the same answer. दिक्कत क्या है? हमने किया
हाँ सर, पर सर अगर हमने इसमें किया इंटीग्रेट तो सर इट विल बिकम x dy मतलब xy
which
plus
path do
xy.
you want? Which path?
This path only, like integrating it f dot dr.
Which path? Path बोलो. O B C O A P O C.
सर OCD.
O
एक सेंसर में सर OA
ओसी का बोल रहे
OAC
O A
सर
C.
OAC path.
OAC. He wants to go along OAC. Integral f dot dr. Integral y dx plus x dy. O2a plus integral y dx plus x dy. A to C. Am I right?
Yes sir.
O2a. O2a. What is the y value? Integral y dx. O2a plus integral x dy. O2a plus integral y dx. A to C plus integral x dy. A to C. Now when you are going from O to A, what is the value of y?
Y is 0. Yes sir. मतलब
So dx I don't bother about. X dy, when you are going from O to A, what is dy?
Zero.
equal to? 0. Now when you are going from A to C,
dx 0 हो जाएगा.
0. Right? When you are going
X,
from A to C, x value is how much? It's a constant. X value is
Yes
how
sir.
much? How much x value?
2.
2
Integral dy will be y.
Y.
0 to 3.
3.
2 into 3 minus 0. आ गया कि नहीं?
हाँ सर.
आ गया.
You will need this relation only when you are going directly from O to C. Now 15th May, I will solve among the 4 options 2. You select which 2, A, B, C, D.
सर आपकी मर्जी, आप जो भी करो।
मैं तो easiest select करूंगा।
Sir, D.
F is equal to minus du by dr. Other than D, what did you people say?
C.
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 C. Option C. Potential energy is given as x square y minus x cube y square z. This is what is given, right? F is equal to minus du by dr. I'll write it as, this is called partial differentiation I cap plus del u by del y j cap del u by del z k cap. What does this mean? When you're differentiating with respect to x, y and z will remain constant. When you're differentiating with respect to y, x and z will remain constant. When you're differentiating with respect to z, x and y will remain constant. Now have a look at it. You're differentiating this with respect to x. 2x y minus y square z into 3x square. This into I cap minus.
Y
Now
और D.
differentiate this with respect to y. When you are differentiating with respect to y, x square minus x cube z into 2y j cap x square minus x cube z into differentiation of y square is 2y j cap minus of differentiate this with respect to z. With respect to z, this will be 0 minus x cube y square k cap.
Sir, in this question, shouldn't we differentiate with just y because it's asking for calculate the force Fy, F of y. So,
Music is done. Calculate the force as a function of y.
yes, sir.
Don't you think you have got y here?
Acha, aise, okay. I thought we have to differentiate with y.
That is deceptive. They wanted you to think in that direction. Force along y axis नहीं पूछा है उसने.
Yes, sir.
That force as a function of y. ऐसा y यहाँ पर भी है यहाँ पर. अगर इसमें y नहीं होता तो I'll dump this part of the expression.
सर D पार्ट कर लेंगे अभी, ये सिंपल है पार्शियल डिफरेंस।
Actually,
हाँ,
that's
D
why I just
sir,
want
D
to solve
हो जाए.
the- First differentiate with respect to x, I cap. Y, j cap. किसी ने D बोला. F is equal to given as, can you help me out with the expression? Minus 3x square y I cap minus x cube j cap. Right? You want the potential energy for this, right? Integral of f dot dr. F is equal to, I'll write this as minus du by dr. dr means dx I cap plus dy j cap, so on and so forth. Bring it to the left. Du is equal to negative will go. 3x square y dx plus x cube dy. Why did you do that? dr I will write as dx I cap plus dy j cap. dx I cap and I cap will give me this into dx. G cap will give me this, 3x square y dx plus x cube dy. Agreed? Now I have to express this as a perfect differential. Only then I'll get the expression for you. How do I do that? 3x square y dx will be 3x cube by 3y plus some constant. Implies this is x cube y plus some constant c1. Integral of x cube dy is x cube integral dy is y plus c2. Do you see a possibility that these both are equal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
C1.
This you can write as integral d of x cube by. Differentiate this with respect to x, you should get this. Differentiate this with respect to y, you get this. If yes, that's my answer. Expression for potential is x cube by.
Okay, sir.
सर इसको हम अलग अलग डिफरेंशिएट इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर सकते 3x square y dx and then integration of x.
करके purpose was not to integrate. Purpose is to verify the perfect differential. अगर एक perfect differential नहीं आया, then it will not be a conservative force. If it is not a conservative force, potential is not defined. He is asking
Yes.
potential energy of the function. Then at origin you will take that to be 0. At x, y you will find out the potential. वो potential तभी define होगा only if it is a conservative force. So first conservative है कि नहीं देखना. अगर है तो that will be the answer for potential.
Yes, sir, got it.
$22.
So I think the answer is wrong for this one.
Yes, sir.
Work done by the force along the path A, B, C, D, A shown in the figure is A, B, C, D, A. X square A cap plus.
Yes, so the answer is wrong, I think.
So actually they're not given an answer only, they're just given options.
They have just given B.
Option.
Yes.
Oh, my bad. Where from
Sir, and can you review the options for question, the answer for question number 20? Sir, in the answer key, I'm not sure, but I think it's missing or divided by 2.
20. 20 you said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I don't know. Can you check with the other people if they also got
Mass
something
m
similar?
is moving with a constant acceleration A on a horizontal plane. Coefficient of friction between the block and the plane is mu. At time t, from the beginning, find the power delivered by gravity.
Sir, I also got divided by
Sir, in the dynamic equations, because of the time, when you're finding displacement with using acceleration and time, there's always a divided by 2, but that's missing in the answer.
Yes,
That is
sir.
instantaneous power.
Which one? A, B, C, D, which way?
Sir, in the correct
Yes.
option, only there are only 2 correct
C
options.
and D.
C and D.
C. It is moving with an acceleration A, constant acceleration of a rough. Now, from the beginning, find the power delivered by friction. 20th.
Sir,
Work
correct
done
Aram.
by friction will be mu mg into displacement divided by time. Mu mg displacement, it starts from rest. constant acceleration of a t square divided by t.
Yes, so the half is missing in the answer.
Mu mg a by 2.
Sir, mu mg 80 na?
Hey, 1 second. 1 second. It's moving with a constant acceleration बोला है.
हाँ सर, तो वो इंस्टेंटेनियस लगेगा ना?
हाँ सर, force into
इंस्टेंटेनियस
velocity.
लगेगा
Yes, sir. Instantaneous power.
सर. F dot v से करेक्ट आंसर आ रहा है. mu
हाँ
mg
sir,
80.
even I took
Yes,
instantaneous
sir.
power only.
Yes, sir.
Hey. Then F dot be instantaneous
I
power.
might have found work done instead then, so sorry. I might have found work done.
Right, this is instantaneous power F dot V. Force is mu
mu
mg
mg
into
v is
A.
80. Yes
Obvious.
sir.
हाँ sir, यही है.
Yes, the same answer is given behind.
Now when it comes to the external agent, force minus mu mg is equal to m
m
into
into a. Yes sir, इससे भी करेक्ट आंसर आ रहा है.
mu mg plus mv. External agent power delivered will be F dot. Now this dot V is equal to 80.
हाँ सर, यही करेक्ट आंसर.
Yes, sir. No, I made a mistake.
अब कोई 20 सेकंड बोला ना यार, we were stopped at 20 second. A B C D A.
सर वो दिया ही नहीं ऑप्शन.
This is A B C D. A, right. F is equal to x square I cap plus y square j cap. Is this turning out to be conservative by any chance? Is it turning out to be conservative by any chance?
नहीं सर, क्वेश्चन में कुछ दिया ही नहीं है.
So they're not asking if it's conservative or not. We just have to find it when it's completed the entire path.
अरे भाई, अगर कंजर्वेटिव है तो सॉल्व करने की जरूरत है ही नहीं. When you're coming
हाँ
back
सर, you
to
can
the
directly say it.
सर डायरेक्ट.
कंप्लीट तो करने दो. स्टेटमेंट का बीच में कट करते जाओगे. कंजर्वेटिव अगर है तो when you're coming back to that point, work done will be
Zero.
तो आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Right? Listen when something is being told. Continuously don't talk that way. No. Conservative किसी ने verify किया है?
No, sir.
Okay. F is given as, sorry, दूसरी बार. This is not a conservative force. Right? dr will be dx I cap plus dy j cap. Integral f dot dr is equal to x square dx plus y square dy. So when I integrate this separately, I'll get x cubed by 3. This I'll get y cubed by 3. Right? Have a look at it. This I integrate x square dx. I'll get x cubed by 3 plus c1. Y square dy. I'll get y cubed by 3 plus c2. हो सकता है c1 is this and c2 is this. क्या पता है, एक बार वेरीफाई तो कर लो. d of x cubed by 3 plus y cubed by 3. Differentiate this with respect to x. How much will you get? 3x square by 3.
यस सर.
Yes.
आ रहा है.
x square by 3 मतलब x square dx आ गया.
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
with respect to y square dy आ गया.
हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ
sir.
सर
The perfect differential. So when I start from here and come back till here, work done will be
जीरो.
Zero. Zero.
what is the answer given?
सर नहीं
आंसर
B.
नहीं
What
है
given?
Zero is only coming.
It is given in option B behind.
Okay, then by chance वो question का options missing है. B will be 0. So whenever you are
So
solving,
instead of doing it by this approach, sir, if we take the Mazduri wala method and find it for each A, B, then B, C, we'll still get the same
Will
answer.
it come 0?
100% you should get the
Okay.
same. If not, we are committing a mistake somewhere. Third. A block of mass 5 kg is suspended from the end of a vertical spring which is stretched by 10 centimeters under the load of the block. Block is given a sharp impulse from below so that it requires an upward speed of 2 meters per second. A block of, it's already in some equilibrium position, kx naught is equal to m. Kx naught is equal to m. Right? Stretched by 10 centimeters. So k value is given. K value will have to calculate. mg, what is the mass of this given? 5 into 10 divided by 0.1. That means 500 Newton per meter is the value of K. Right? From here you have given it an impulse of U. Agreed? So that it acquires an upward speed of 2 meters per second. How high in centimeters will it rise? First I will solve it in meters. Now that you have given a velocity, let me say assume it comes till here. It went to a height of h. Total mechanical energy here is how much? Half mu square plus gravitational potential energy plus half kx naught square. Total mechanical energy here will be, kinetic energy will be 0. Potential energy is mgh plus half k. What will this elongation be? Initial elongation was x naught. This will be x naught minus h whole square. What is the elongation in the spring at this particular state? This elongation will be x naught minus h. It rises by a height of h. Right? Half kx naught square initial potential energy, total elongation, final elongation is this. I conserve the total mechanical energy, initial and final. Can I find out the value of h? M value is given, k value we have calculated. The only variable in the equation is h. X naught is also given. Make it fast. Tell me if you're getting the answer or not. I'm waiting for you people. 23rd.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
sir, we can directly apply v square equal to 2gs.
The खतरनाक statement बोला है आपने. एक second my heart stopped. Acceleration constant थोड़ी है. kx का value change हो रहा है. That v square is equal to u square plus 2s will work out only if the acceleration is
0.
constant.
Constant, sorry.
क्या बोल रहे हो? Center of the board. Twenty-fifth. Am I seeing the correct question? You are speaking about power. Total mass of a cyclist and a bicycle is 120 kgs. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. The total power delivered will be 640 minus 16v minus 8v square. 640 minus 16v minus 8v square. This is f dot v. 640 minus 16v minus 8v square. For velocity to be maximum, acceleration should be 0. For velocity to be maximum, acceleration should be 0. That implies the force must be 0. Applied force is 0 is equal to 640 minus 16v minus 8v square. Find
So that minus 16 is just minus 16, not minus 16v.
No, it is 16v. Read the question properly. Motion is opposed by the road resistance of magnitude 16 Newton and air resistance of magnitude 8v, where v is the speed. Find the greatest speed that she can. Okay. Minus 16v. 16. How much are you getting the velocity from here then?
Minimum 8, we know instead of 8. Sir.
But you have multiplied velocity.
Hey, right, 1 second. 1 second. This is power, right?
Is it power F dot
Yes,
V?
sir.
Giving
sir,
to
the
Power, I didn't write force. Power is force dot velocity. And I had to write power because here force is not given. The power delivered by R is given. Isn't it? You understood why we multiplied with velocity all through?
Yes, sir.
Because this is given as power. Tell me the value of V here. I don't know the value of V. Oh, that's the answer. I have a very smart way of verifying if I got the correct answer or not. See the answer given behind, substitute here and here, add up. If it turns out to be 0, that means the problem is correct.
क्या सही method है?
I can afford to do that because I see the answer behind. I can afford to be lazy. You cannot.
So वो question आपने ही बनाया था क्या जो वो दिन भेजा था group पे?
हाँ sir, ACP sir.
ACP sir asked someone from
That's the-
NAPJC3 or something to complete this what do you call velocity versus time or acceleration versus time graph because he was feeling lazy. So the NAP
हाँ सर
so group देखो sir भेजा था।
ग्रुप
भेजा था
में
पहले।
भेजा था सर। NAPJC का मतलब क्या वर्ड?
New Andheri
Andheri Page Junior
College. APJC. Andheri Page Junior Science College.
Our senior
BPC. Borivali Page Junior Science College. DPJC. Dadar
दादर।
Junior Science College.
So did our seniors have the Zenith notation or did they have this?
Your batch we changed this because now we used to have a hell of a problem in sending the Zoom lecture links. We'll have to send now in your batch also the combination from different centers.
Yes, sir.
So there the Zoom lecture may we had to write NAPJC 1, 2 and associated batches from Chembur, this, that, all that confusion. So now in your batch they made it Zenith 1, Zenith 2, that.
सर फ्लैगशिप तो फ्लैगशिप ही था ना, पहले भी था ना वो।
Flagship, they started a bit early now.
और ये फ्लैगशिप के लोग लेक्चर में हम जेनिथ लोगों के बारे में बहुत बुराई करते हैं सब।
क्या बोलते हैं सर?
हमने क्या पकड़ा?
एक मिनट समझ लो। This is one a very important lesson in life. This is human nature. कितना भी आपका अजीज दोस्त हो, बचपन का क्लासमेट्स जब मिलते, when two people meet, they don't talk very positive about the third guy. It is human nature. It has got nothing to do with flagship and your batch. Right? 3 friends, out of the 2 friends meet, they will do bitching about the third guy by each other. They may like him. They may be his close friend. But all this is human nature. So accept it. If not, you will start inviting more number of enemies. Somebody said something about you, that information reaches you. Don't judge the person with that information. Right? Now, very simple fact. You told me what flagship people हमारे बारे में बहुत गंदा बोलते हैं. Simple fact. I will go and tell them the same information. यार जेनिथ बच्चे आप लोगों के बाद बहुत गंदा सोचते हैं. They think you do lot of. Now, by default, they will become your enemies. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is human nature. Any 2 people, when they meet about the third person, if they talk 60% positive, they'll talk 40% negative. Try to decrease that within yourself, you'll keep growing. And keep yourself shielded from the outside information, because when people talk negative about you, they're telling you what all you have to change within you. So, अच्छा है.
सर मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बन जाओ.
I'm a lazy guy. I get a chance and sleep for 12 hours. You don't know me. बड़ा घंटे सो सकता हूँ.
Okay, sir.
Right? I am the wrong guy to motivate people. Only that guy should motivate who himself follows. You people
but-
heard of this famous story of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa.
So which one?
He tells a kid to come back when the mother brings the kid to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Her complaint is this kid is eating too many sweets. He's becoming obese.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now Ramakrishna Paramahamsa asked that mother to bring the kid the next week. He plays with the kid again next week. Finally, the mother loses her cool. She asks him, will you do something or are you wasting my time? He tells her, have patience for one more week, bring him that next week. That next week, when she brings the kid, he preaches to the kid, do not eat sweets unless your mother gives. The kid promises. The mother gets irritated. In 3 weeks, she kept bringing the kid. Finally, she leaves and she is not satisfied with what was went on. But the next day, she comes and she falls on his feet and she tells him, he really stopped eating sweets. The disciples were interested to know what happened. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa says, I have been practicing this for the past 5 weeks because I myself have a temptation for sweets. Right?
Yes, sir. Had
Acha,
100.
sir.
Speaker, we should first practice it. I'm a very lazy guy. Question number 26, I lost track. है 26 से
सर हम retry कर लेंगे.
26, you are applying a constant force of mg by 2, right? If it is a variable force, you have a problem. This is theta, this is L sine theta. Mg by 2 into L sine theta will be work done by the external force, and minus mg into L into 1 minus cos theta is work done by this. Net total change in kinetic energy half mv square minus 0. We solved this problem when f is not
Constant.
here. F is constant. Life becomes very easy. Force into this displacement is the work done by the external force. Work done by gravity minus mg into h, because mg is downwards, h is upwards.
Sir, on Wednesday we'll start the new chapter.
One more assignment to be done, and that's a tough assignment.
सर कल है डाउट लेक्चर 2 घंटे का.
कल का
हाँ,
डाउट
मतलब
लेक्चर में
कभी
पहले
booklet
booklet
करवाना।
खत्म करवाओ। अगर
ये तो only exercise 4 is left.
ओके, तब तो हो जाएगा। Then Wednesday I'll start off central. Purely depends on how much progress is made with the doubt.
Okay, sir.
सर असाइनमेंट 2 अरे मतलब इजी है वैसे, इतना भी टफ नहीं है, हो रहे सम।
नहीं सर है.
नहीं सर अच्छे समझा सर असाइनमेंट 2.
सर पीछे के
सर
सब बहुत
असाइनमेंट
अच्छा
1 was
है।
lengthy but assignment 2 was very good sums.
हाँ सर पीछे के सम्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, स्टार्टिंग के बहुत easy।
Assignment 2 अगर आपको आसान लगा तो I'm very happy with work, power and energy. If you find assignment 2 easy, that means we have done a very good job with this chapter.
So the sums are solvable. It's not like it's impossible.
हाँ सर
to solve,
सब
but they
सब
are good.
सॉल्व हो
sums.
रहे हैं, थोड़े बहुत डाउट्स आ रहे हैं बट सर सॉल्व हो रहे हैं थोड़े।
Sir, is it above JEE advanced level or at par?
Slightly more. Slightly.
Okay, sir.
अरे सर फिर तो अच्छा है वो.
Maximum 5-10% greater than the JEE.
Okay, sir.
So like on an average, how many doubts should you have in assignment 2? Like what would be a reasonable doubt number?
No such rule. ऐसा रूल थोड़ी होता है कि इतने डाउट्स आए तो अच्छा आता है यार। ऑल इंडिया 14th रैंकर ने एग्जामिनेशन में 18/9 मार्क करके आ गए, एंड येट ही वाज ऑल इंडिया 14th रैंक। अब आपको ये बच्चा अच्छा लगता है कि बुरा लगता है, खराब लगता है?
सर आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट अगर बताया कि 18/9 is equal to 9 तो फिर
तो बुरा है बट
Right?
मिस्टेक हो गया
So,
तो भी उसको इतना आया।
Human mind doesn't behave the same way every time. So pray God, all of you are going through a process. Agar if you compare yourself with yourself 1 year back, aaj ka you and 1 academic year back you, or when we started vectors, tab ka ab ka, how much difference do you find in you?
सर बहुत ज्यादा.
सर कुछ ज्यादा ही
You have
मतलब
learnt a lot. You feel very elated. What you have learnt in your schools, same mechanics you learnt in your schools now, and then how much difference you feel,
कुछ ज्यादा ही डिफरेंट है.
सर 10 साल में इतना एफर्ट नहीं डाला जो आप बेटा.
हाँ सच्ची में सर.
right? Utna difference aaya. Ab
Yes,
in the next 1 year, it will be equally high, rather even more than. Pray God that your peak comes here when the exam is going. With your senior, super senior batch which went for JEE this year, we are the most unluckiest people. We had some of the best students. I couldn't match their speed when they used to think. In Dadar, we had 3 students. The way they used to think always used to put me in trouble. उनका हम लोगों ने live lectures लिए पूरा 1 year.
हाँ सर.
क्या जबरदस्त बैच था. हिल गया था मैं कुछ solutions देख के. मैं second year में आपको I'll tell you also few innovative solutions which they told. Electrodynamics में I used to think this is the best innovative solution I can give. They used to come out with one more innovative answer for procedure. I'll put that on the board. I'll tell you people. I'll show you. This was the procedure given by the students. This is the procedure available in the class. Now this batch, if the exam wouldn't have been postponed for so long because of Corona, we would have had at least 6-7 ranks within top 100. ये जो कोविड के पोस्टपोनेंट की वजह से people will start losing patience. That is the biggest trouble. Plan your acad in such a way such that the best of your performance should come close to the examination date. जिंदगी बन जाए. I have seen some of the best brains whose performance come down here. Lack of patience. They overdo initially. Ab, for example, listen. You people know we have done vectors.
Yes sir.
कितने assignments दिए आपको vectors में?
हाँ सर बहुत दिया.
Do you actually really feel that is worth it?
No sir.
No, sir, not at all.
But then when we give you, people were happy.
Yes sir. That time we needed it.
That time you need it. So once you have grown, that is the key catch. As you are growing, what you have learned will become small. Patience is the key factor. Grow to the peak, after which fatigue will start taking a toll on you. If fatigue takes a toll and you are falling, somewhere here your exam should happen. Or नीचे गिरोगे, so we are missing the ranks in the top 100. This year we were very unlucky because of that. कहाँ कितने बार postpone. Some students close the book and sleep. उनको फिर से जगा के motivate करके काम करवाना इतना आसान था नहीं, because the period was so. So quite a few whom we thought will give guarantee ranks in the top 100 landed up in 140, 150, 220, 330. For them it doesn't matter much, but for a rank it matters, for an institute it matters. So you know your level when you join and now. Make sure that it is growing at the same rate. Give your best performance on the day you have your exam. That will be ideal.
So how tough is the next chapter?
From next chapter starts the trouble.
Sir, yeah.
Initially, you will not feel the heat. Conservation of moment. 90% of the students who build up backlog start from the next chapter. कारण बताऊंगा समझ में. अभी जब वेक्टर्स पढ़ा रहा था, हर लेक्चर के बाद एक असाइनमेंट आता.
हाँ सर.
Yes.
एनालिटिक्स का भी कुछ छोटा तो ऐसा ही.
हाँ सर.
अब न्यूटन्स लॉस के बाद से एक पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाने के बाद असाइनमेंट दे पा रहा हूं.
Yes sir.
अब दिक्कत यह है कि कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम में इतना बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाने के बाद में आई कैन गिव द असाइनमेंट, बिकॉज इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
Okay sir.
3 लेक्चर के बाद असाइनमेंट आएगा. So what students tend to do is they start accumulating back. वो assignment will be tough. So 3 lecture तक I will not be able to give an assignment. So when I'm waiting, you start piling up back. I keep repeatedly telling the kids, conservation of momentum, be on your toes. I'll try to give homework after every class so that you finish even those small dots. once you feel it slightly difficult, you start slowing down. Once you slow down, you pile up your homework. You pile up your homework, you don't know how to handle it. All of this is a cyclic process. Conservation of momentum and rotational dynamics are two such chapters. I'll have to teach so much content before I can give an assignment. इतना ज़्यादा content जब पढ़ा भी रहा हूँ, I cannot rush through. It's a very important concept. Slowly, step by step, I have to introduce. So patience is the key factor here. Patience is a very big key factor for conservation of momentum and rotation. यहाँ आप backlog pile up मत करो. Your first year you are safe. You
Okay,
don't
sir.
pile up backlog here. You are done with your first year syllabus, whatever may be your ranking base. Second year may you catch up very comfortably. यहाँ you pile up your homework, it becomes very difficult for you to braille out of that particular vicious cycle.
सर 100% सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा अगर
Don't pile up homework here and consistency maintain करो, 100% selection हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir. Challenge.
See you people in the next class.
So will you send the recording?
So can you please send the recording?
I'll send the
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, that 28 question. So,
अरे retry कर.
Okay, sir.
आता है, एक बार देख
सर
लो.
कर लेंगे हम, चलेगा कर
sir, I
लेंगे.
have a doubt in 23 question. So,
अब नहीं.
only it's a conceptual, not the solving part.
एक मिनट क्वेश्चन खोलना पड़ेगा ना यार मुझे. हाँ बोलो 23rd पेपर खुला है.
Sir, when that impulse is done, sir, then the tension will be slackened now. So we can apply the formula, right? V square is equal to 2GS.
बिल्कुल
the-
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. टेंशन कैसे स्लैकन हो जाएगा भैया? वो कैसा? Spring. This is the unstretched position. This is x naught. Now, if the block comes till here, even now there is a elongation.
Yes, sir.
And suppose it goes above, there is compression. Tension will
Yes, sir.
become zero only at one position, unstretched position.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Good day, bye, and thank you.